Did you know there are many rules of finance? If you have a hard time budgeting, you might want to follow this channel for more videos like this one. Today we will talk about the 80-20 budgeting method, which is a common budgeting approach. It involves saving 20% of your income and limiting your spending to 80% of your earnings. This technique allows you to put savings first, and it's both flexible and easy. Please note the 3 rules of money, which are: don't spend more than you make, always plan for the future, and help your money grow. A big benefit of the 80-20 budget is its simplicity. There's no need to make a list of dozens of different things you spend money on each month when you make this type of budget. And there's no need to try to decide in advance if you're going to spend more on entertainment and less on dining out or clothing, or vice versa. As long as you're prioritizing saving first. Remember, knowledge is your superpower. Follow for more knowledge.